Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, we're still battling over the round number. You can see we had a little bit of a pullback yesterday. They've traded as low as 89.5. They lit a fire under it, though, right around Europe Open, and they've taken it from 89.5 up as high as 09.25. The retail sales numbers helped pop it up there at 8:30. We're currently trading 07.75. They're going to see if they can make a higher high. Yesterday, we saw them walk it all the way up into the bell and then, come in with a really hard sell right off the open right here. This was your opening. This was your opening trade. So pretty much straight down. We didn't catch the top. We caught it. We caught it from 16.5. Ended up being a nice trade, and then we did a couple more as the day went on. Did 21.5 yesterday, so a solid day in the room. The week's in good shape. Remember, today is the final day of the week, and it's not one of these holidays where like Globex is open for half the day, and but there's no regular session or whatever. The market closes 5 p.m. tonight, and it opens 6 p.m. Eastern Sunday. Tomorrow is a dead day. Go golfing, go away, do whatever it is you're going to do. The markets are closed tomorrow. So for today, you got a potential lower low here, and you got a potential lower high here. I'll be very interested to see. I said yesterday before the close, the Bears really had one job, which is try to close it below the weekly pivot. They got it back down below, but they're doing a really bad job of holding it on upside testing. I want to see what happens off of the open. The 28.98 volume weighted average price is basically 99. The hourly mid band there is 99.5. The 5-minute mid is 03. So it's still, all of it is still, and our proprietary moving average right now is 29.01. So it's all jammed in. I know we're trading 07, but it's all jammed in around the round number and the weekly pivot. It's been basically a battle, and it's a battle that the bulls won early on, but they really haven't been able to convert. So last week we were effectively in a range between 28.80 and 2900. This week we've been in a range between 2900 and 2920. What'll be interesting is this a hiccup here? Are we going back to 20? Is it going to continue to respect the range, or are we going to carve out a new range, some kind of lower high, back into test 28.90 or maybe even below? A lot more questions going into the last day of the week than I really like to have. So I'm just going to trade what I see, and that's basically the bull bear line right now, 2,900. 2,900. I've been a broken record all week, but it's worked. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. For those who celebrate, happy Easter. For the rest of you, for those of you that celebrate Passover. Have a good Passover. I will be back Monday, and we will take it from there. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.